A supermarket in Istanbul, Turkey, once thronged with shoppers for a great variety of goods, was almost empty recently as inflation has driven the prices out of reach. A few shoppers checked the latest price tags and then walked away with empty shopping bags, while employees complained that sales had dropped too much as the prices went crazy. Prices of dairy products have all skyrocketed regardless of brands after the Turkish National Dairy Council adjusted the benchmark price of raw milk up by more than 30%. The price of a kilo of white cheese, an indispensable item on Turkish breakfast tables, has increased from 80 Turkish liras to at least 120 liras, while a kilo of old cheddar hits 195 liras on some brands.
Azalttık tabii, azalttık. Yani beyaz peynir alıyorsam kaşar almıyorum ya da başka bir şey almıyorum. Yani mümkün oldukça azaltıyoruz. Hiçbir şeye yetişemiyor insan çünkü bu maaşlarla.
A customer noted that the monthly minimum wage of millions of workers in the country is 4,250 liras.
Burada röportaj yapamazdınız eğer bu fiyatlar olmasaydı. Bu mağaza öyle bir mağazaydı. Görüyorsun sen müşteri.
Torunlarıma tabii almak için geldim. Onlar da sürekli her akşam mesela bir bardak süt içiyorlar ama alamıyoruz artık.
Turkey is undergoing financial woes unseen in decades, with the Turkish lira losing half its value last year. The Russia-Ukraine conflict also worsened the situation, pushing commodities prices to new highs.